Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. We're currently in Phi Phi Island. Super excited about being here today. Yesterday we arrived from Krabi. We come over on the ferry, so that was actually a bit of a trip. It took us a couple of hours to get over here from Krabi on the slow ferry. Today we're going to hire a longtail boat, so we're going to see the captain in about 20 minutes. And we're going to go around the other side of the island where a lot of people don't go. So we're not going to Maya Bay and all the touristy spots. We're going up to Newer Island and Monkey Beach, which I think a lot of tourists go there, but they don't go further around. So we're going to be going around to the top. And there's actually a mangrove system up there, and the water's crystal clear. It's not muddy. It's actually a beautiful mangroves with a nice little bridge over there. So we're going to go and see that today. Probably have some lunch up there. So we're going to be on the boat for about 4 hours. So come and enjoy our adventures, and we'll see what we can get up to in this video, guys. Thanks. Alrighty, we're about to get on our longtail boat. Oh, it looks a bit more luxurious. That's nice little padded seats. You alright? Alright, let's get on the boat. Alright, she's made it. You made it. Alrighty, with a bit of swear words in there. Alright, you're the captain? Yep. Alright, let's go. These are nice, all padded seats. Yeah. Nice, beautiful, thank you. Alright, let's look at this, beautiful. Look at this, beautiful. Nice padded.
Take the shoes off.
Tracy struggled to get up there. Yeah, she should have taken the sandals off.
Take sandals off, people. Sandals off.
But yeah, so we're going to a few of the islands. We'll ask the captain where we're going to start with. Oh, he's getting his lunch or something. So, all right, we're going to take off, and we'll show you some of the boat ride on the way out to our first island. Alrighty, guys, we're off now. We're leaving the main area of Phi Phi Island here, and we're about to travel right around the other side of the island. I think the first spot you might take is a place called Monkey Beach. I think that's a very touristy place, but then we're going to work our way right around to the top of Phi Phi. Alright guys, we're going to our first little stop. I don't think it's got a name unless someone in the comment section can tell me what it is. I had a look on Google Maps. There's like a little cove, and it's like a little rock formation around the boat. So there's a few boats in here, but it's only about 10 minutes little boat ride from the main area of Phi Phi Island. There's some people snorkeling here. Other longtail boats in here. It is beautiful in here, isn't it, Trey? Nice little beach up at the end there. You can go for a swim up to. So yeah, it's the water is absolutely crystal clear. It's all the way down the bottom. It's not that deep. No, it's absolutely magnificent in here. Beautiful first stop on our little boat tour today. Alright, the captain just told me that the name was Wang Lana Bay, so we know what the name of the place is. Yeah, it's absolutely. I'm lost for words. I'm speechless. It's absolutely beautiful in here. Absolutely sensational. And we've got a padded longtail boat, which is it's like a deluxe one, isn't it? Which is, how much did it cost us? 3,000 baht for 4 or 5 hours of travelling around Phi Phi Island. So I think that's pretty good value, considering that I think a lot of people are paying around 1,000 baht each, and there's about 15 or 20 people going into all these longtail boats. So I think it's actually yeah, a little bit extra, and you get your own boat, and you can go where you want, when you want. You can leave, and you can do whatever you want during that 4 or 5 hours. So this is awesome. We're going towards Monkey Beach now, Trey. Yeah, this is padded. This is awesome. I think we paid maybe an extra 500 baht for the upgraded boat, because I think everyone else paid 2,500. We paid 3,000. But yeah, it's worth it. It's beautiful, nice, relaxing. You get water and all that stuff with it as well. But yeah, it's absolutely spectacular in here. Alright guys, we've made it on the Monkey Beach. Let's go and over and look at the monkeys, and then we're going to go for a swim. Here they are. They're all monkeys. Oh, there's quite a few over there as well. Oh, there's a little baby one. Alrighty. Alright, let's go for a swim on Monkey Beach. There's our longtail boat just there. It's actually quite a nice beach actually, about 25, maybe 30 minutes drive around the island, and a few boats here. But it's not as busy as Maya Bay and around that. It's a lot quieter. A few boats here, but further around we get, I think the less people are going to be here. So jump in, go for a swim, cool off, and then jump back on and go to another place to visit. Alright, let's go for a swim. There's Tracy in the water already. The water is crystal clear. Look how clear the water is. Absolutely clear there. There's Tracy, give Tracy a wave. Ooh, it's nice. Nice. Ooh, this is paradise.
The sand is beautiful.
The sand is really fine sand. There's the longtail boats that were just on. The water is crystal clear.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
And there's monkeys.
And there's monkeys on the beach. There's more over there running around. Alright, I'm going for a swim. We'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, we're leaving Monkey Beach. Nice little swimming area over there. It was quite nice. It was nice and cool. The water was crystal clear. Definitely I think it's better than Poda. Is it Poda Beach? Yeah, over near Krabi there.
But it's high tide.
So this is high tide, so
There's not much sand.
yeah, so it's, I think if low tide maybe it comes down further and you'll have more of a beach. But yeah, beautiful beach to stop at. Definitely worth coming to see this Monkey Beach. It didn't cost us anything to go on the beach. There's no national park fees or anything. But that's what we're going up to. Our next stop, we're going up to Newer Beach, and I think it's really nice swimming up there, so we'll probably have another swim up there. Alright guys, we've arrived to Newer Beach. There it is there. Water absolutely crystal clear. Look at that. Longtail boat there. Look at that. Another amazing spot, Trey. Look at this. We might go off and go to the beach here and go for a swim for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then keep on working our way around the island. Beautiful day in Thailand, absolutely sensational. Alright, we're leaving Newer Island there, Newer Beach. Absolutely beautiful. We had a nice swim there, Trey. Nice swim. She's doing her Instagram poses there. I flew the drone, hopefully get some nice drone footage there. Look at this, just off the beach, nice rock formations. Alright, we're going to the place that I really want to go to. It's there's like mangroves and nice clear water. We'll get some lunch out there. Alright guys, we've arrived on Loh Lana Bay. We've just jumped out of the boat and we're going to head through the jungles through there. There's supposed to be a path through there, and we're going to go to where the mangrove and there's a bridge, and I think all the locals, there's like a local village there. We just want to see what's out there. So yeah, we're going to leave this beautiful little bay here. There's Tracy. And we're going to trek through the jungle and get through to the mangrove. So let's go. About a 10-minute walk.
Not 20 minutes.
No, they said 20-minute walk. It only took us 10. But we might walk quicker than the average person. Come from the longtail boat, and we're going across the bridge now to down to the little town down there, and we're going to get a bite to eat. Yeah, it's a little local village down there, and then there's a beach further down, and we're going to go for a swim there later. But let's have a look at the views. Or the water. I wanted to come up here early because the tide's gone down. When the tide's right up, I think the water's like really crystal clear. It's clear, but it looks a lot different. You can see how high it goes with the mangroves there. It goes right up, probably another, at least a metre, metre and a half, maybe 2 metres higher. But look at the views behind. All right, let's head into town. We'll get a bite to eat, and then we're off to the beach. All right, this is must be the main street in this little village, eh? There's this little massage places and little restaurants. Well, let's go back of nowhere. Let's go and find something to eat. All right, guys, we've just sat in a little cafe. And what have you got, Trey?
Chicken fried rice with egg
Chicken
on top.
fried
It's my
rice,
favourite.
as usual. Oh, we got some calamari this time.
Spicy sauce.
And what I've got grilled chicken, egg, and rice on top, and a little bit of sauce.
And we're sharing.
Yeah, try the calamari.
That's hot. With chili sauce.
Oh, nice sweet chili sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, nice and tender. They look tender. All right, I'm going to hook in to my, what have I got? My grilled chicken. Yeah, it's got a nice little flavour to it, like seasoning on top. Nice and tender. And then the egg. Quite nice. All right, we're going to scoff this down, and then we're going to go down the beach and see what the beach is like around this little village here. And I'll fly the drone to get some epic views. So I'm going to hook in now. All right, guys, we're walking through the little village here. We're going to head off to the beach shortly. We've just crossed over the bridge. So there's lots of little cafes and restaurants and little massage places around here. We're about to head down to the beach now. Alrighty, guys, we just had lunch. 600 baht, 2 drinks, 3 meals. It was actually quite tasty. It was nice. Now we're walking out to paradise. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. The tide's starting to go out now. So this will all probably be out where all the boats are in the next couple of hours. There's like a little resort and facilities here. I'll find out the name of this bay and I'll put it on the screen. This is, I'm going to fly the drone. The mangroves over the back there, on high tide, they look really nice. So I'll fly the drone up there, see what they like. But this beach is worth coming up here. Look, there's nobody here. We're like a boat ride from the main section of Phi Phi Island, the main area. It's absolutely jam-packed, and you come little boat trip on the main island of Phi Phi, and there's hardly anyone here. Beautiful beaches. It's worth coming up here, I'm telling you. The sand is really nice. The water's crystal clear. This is a hidden gem up here, isn't it, Trey? Hidden gem. It's really nice. It's, we're going to go for a swim. You can hire kayaks. Generally they're about 300 baht, between 200 and 300 baht for a couple of hours or an hour. I think the longer you hire them, the cheaper they are. Yeah, cheaper by the hour they are. But we're going to go for a swim here, cool down because it's nice and hot as usual in Thailand. Alrighty, guys, I just found where the water comes from, the mangroves up there. The water's crystal clear. Look at the backdrop. Absolutely magnificent view behind the water here with the longtail boats and the limestone cliffs. There's just no tourists up here. It's just, I think there's a little hotel over the back there. But I'm going to fly the drone. The bridge is over there we walked across before. So I'm going to fly the drone over and have a look at the clear waterways here. But out into the ocean there. Look at this, guys. There's not many places in Phi Phi Island that you can go, and there's very, very limited tourists. We're up north of the main area of Phi Phi Island, and there's a resort there, but this is it. There's a couple of people over there. There's some boats out here. In most places you go around Phi Phi Island, there's just swarms of people everywhere, but look at this. Beautiful clear water, absolutely clear. Yeah, swimming in here. There's a little look out there, and look where we are. Just the backdrop, absolutely superb. Hey guys, we're on Loh Ba Kao Bay. The tide's going out pretty quick. We're about to head back to the longboat. This is absolutely beautiful scenery around here. We're going to end the video here. It's an absolutely beautiful area. Come up north, the northern section of Phi Phi. Get away from the crowds. Look, as you can see, there's minimal people around for the size of the area that we're in. There's a couple of, I think there's a couple of little hotels and villas around, but this is absolutely beautiful. High tide, it'd be like a really good swimming area. You have to walk out pretty far. The tide's gone out very quickly since we've been here for the last hour and a half. But definitely come up here, and yeah, it should be a great adventure up here. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.